Welcome to this last section of the tutorial for creating an interactive Excel dashboard. In this section, we will be discussing how the interactive dashboard can be used to analyze data. Open the Excel file that you saved at the end of section 5. Now let's review some Excel dashboard basics. A dashboard workbook in Excel typically has 3 components: one or more data worksheets, one or more calculations worksheets, and a dashboard worksheet. Analysis performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. For this project, we have a data worksheet, 2 calculations worksheets, and a dashboard worksheet in our Excel workbook. In this project, we built a dashboard that looks like the screenshot provided here. The dashboard is interactive because we can select the distribution channel and the product to see the various levels of contribution margin associated with those selections. Remember that a slicer is a button that can be clicked to filter a table or pivot table in Excel. It also allows you to quickly see what filter criteria are currently being used. In this interactive Excel dashboard, there are 2 slicers to filter the data, one for distribution channel and one for product. When those slicer buttons are clicked, the charts, dynamic headings, and tables change. Click on each of the slicers and observe how the related charts, tables, and other information change. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get the answers by using the slicer buttons on the dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on a slicer or 2. It's that easy. I hope you have found this interactive dashboard tutorial useful and have learned some new things about Excel. These same dashboard concepts can be applied when using another tool such as Power BI or Tableau. It is much easier to use a dashboard than it is to click through multiple sheets of data for an answer. That's it. We are done with this project. This video was created by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.